Let's find out how to troubleshoot the F7 error code in the Worcester Bosch boiler. If your Worcester boiler is showing an F7 error code, it simply means your boiler shows a false flame detection within the system, when the boiler is switched off or inactive. This error can be puzzling, but understanding its possible causes is the first step to fixing this issue. Let's find out what causes the F7 error. 4 main causes can trigger the F7 error code. The number 1 cause is faulty, damaged or dirty ignition electrode. Boiler ignition electrodes are responsible for lighting up the fuel in your boiler. These electrodes get damaged or even clogged up with dirt over time. This can really mess up the boiler's ignition process, causing false flame detection. The second cause of F7 error is FLUE problems in the boiler. The blockages in the FLUE system or a bad installation can mess with how the FLUE system works, making the boiler think there's a flame when there's actually not. So, it's essential to keep that FLUE system clear and working right. The next cause is electrical sensor malfunction. This means, when the boiler flame sensor malfunctions, it can give wrong readings and trigger the F7 code. Finally, if your boiler's printed circuit board or PCB is damaged or faulty, it can mess with signals from the flame sensor. Usually, PCB is essential for controlling operations. Every error code has a solution. So, let's see how to fix the F7 error code. First, we can try this by resetting the boiler. However, the resetting procedure may differ from boiler to boiler, depending on the boiler model. Here's what you might need to do. Turn off the boiler. Wait for the recommended period, as in the boiler manual. Then, reboot the boiler. Remember, dealing with boiler issues requires expertise and technical knowledge. Some boiler issues are easy to fix by simply resetting the boiler. But, if the error code is still on display after resetting, it's time to call a qualified gas-safe engineer. Because, the next steps are something you can't handle on your own. Service steam heating engineers can handle all the boiler makes and models. As the accredited Worcester Bosch boiler installer, we guarantee to meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. Click on the link below in the description to book a service team heating engineer. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.